Welcome back, kids. Figured I'd make a quick video about this because I actually had to ask James DeGaff how to do this, and I figured what better way than showing everybody else how to do it if you guys go to check my channel out. But in order for me to drop down that front subframe, I do need to get space, I should say room, to also drop down the steering column. That way I can actually drop the whole subframe down and not actually have to go crazy trying to disconnect stuff in order to do so. But I found out from James that there's this little black clip right here. We're going to find out how it works. So this plastic clip, I'm guessing you actually have to get the ring out. This sits up there and it locks on the actual ring. I guess it's a backup precautionary. That was on there pretty good. Actually, while I'm here, I might as well get the pedals out.